Hello, let's try to solve the absolute value equation negative 6 plus 3 absolute value of x plus 2 equals 1 minus 4 times the absolute value of x plus 2. Now in order to solve this, we're going to have to isolate the absolute value. So as our first step, let's add 4 absolute value of x plus 2 to both sides of the equation. So after doing so, we have negative 6. 3 plus 4 is 7, so we have 7 copies of the absolute value of x plus 2. Over here, these two cancel, and so we're left with the number 1. Okay, the absolute value is still not isolated, so in the next step, let's add 6 to both sides. So after doing this, we now have cancellation here, so 7 times the absolute value of x plus 2 equals 7. Okay, really close now. To get that absolute value by itself, let's divide both sides by 7. So now we have this cancellation, and the absolute value of x plus 2 is equal to the number 1. Okay, so now we're finally ready to do the two equations. Our positive equation would be x plus 2 equals 1. Exactly what we see, but with no absolute value. So subtract 2 from both sides, and we see that x equals negative 1. The second equation is to take exactly what we see, to write it without any absolute value, but to make the other side negative. So we have x plus 2 equals negative 1. Subtract 2 from both sides, and we see from here that x equals negative 3. So the two solutions to this absolute value equation are x equals negative 1 and x equals negative